Since we have spoken about the stress hormone, let's talk about the happy hormones, how we can help our body to release happy chemistry, happy biochemistry. So our body has ability to heal ourselves. So chemicals can be automatically secreted in the body by eating good healthy food. It's detrimental and critical that we eat fresh food. We should stop processed food. We keep it once in a while. When we are eating our food, we know that this is going to become us. So what we eat, we become, because the body takes the nutrients from that and leave the bad properties of that thing. So if we are eating a dead food which doesn't have anything but calories, it's going to become only fat and stay with us and make more burden in our life. Happy hormones are dopamine, oxytocin, endorphin, serotonin, melatonin. These are the happy hormones. We can do simple tasks and help these to come on its own and flawlessly release in the body by the nervous system. The brain releases these hormones. So if we finish a task, what we start, we feel dopamine. If we love ourselves, there's a difference between self-obsession and loving yourself. Eating right food. We have celebrate small little wins, give ourselves a gift, write a encouraging letter to ourselves, increases dopamine. Where if we want appreciation from a supervisor or a partner or from children, from friends, we must appreciate ourselves and our contribution in our lives and in the life of others. We must accept ourselves as it is and know if we are not happy, what needs to be changed, and work for the betterment, because this is not the end of the world. The past was before. If we know we enter in a room which is dark, we don't have to cry about the darkness, we have to just switch on the light. So what we need to do is, if you're not happy, it's okay. We do these things and we'll be happy. We must start some mindfulness exercises. We know this is the only way forward. There is no other way. And there are 112 ways or more to meditate, and we'll talk about that if we have time today. We must have some sun exposure because sun gives us energy. We must wear obviously sunblock, but 20 minutes in sun is important and critical for a good mental health and physical health. Walking in the nature, going on the beach, going in the park, we must spend some time with the nature, sitting under the tree, watching stars and moon or sun, which is going to give us the positive boost. We must have some time off with our loved ones, parents, children, brother, friends. Spend time with the babies, children. Give some time to the people who need in the society, some volunteering work. We must have some moments of laughter. They say if you watch an hour of comedy picture or a comedy show, there's a huge rush in the positive hormones in our body. So the brain relaxes. So it's good to read jokes, crack jokes. Use the essential oils to boost and elevate the mood. They do help. If you have somebody gives you flower, there's a nice smell, you feel good. So essential oils are also equally good. You can simply keep in your hanky and just smell, and you will see the change in mood. Dark chocolates do help. 20 to 30 minutes of exercise 3 to 4 times in a week is going to be really helpful. Make sure, if it is possible, to have 10,000 steps. Use your smartwatches for that. All these things are going to automatically start giving you addition and supplement your lifestyle change. Trust me, no psychologist, again, psychiatrist, coach, life coach can help you. These are the things you will have to introduce in your life to bring positive change. But those who do not want to do anything and want to just have the antidepressants, they will only increase eventually with the doses. Eventually, if we don't fix our lifestyle. But those who have reached to that level of medicines, if they also introduce this, the doses will reduce, and there will be time that they will be completely ready to embark the journey of happiness and pursuit of happiness in their lives. Know the different the mapping of emotions on the body. These are the scans of people, when they saw some how our body shows in the scan. The people drew the maps of body locations where they feel basic emotions. So you see the basic emotions are shown in the body like that. Okay, bottom row is about hot colors. These are the regions where people feel the stimulation during when they feel these emotions. And where you see cool colors, they are the deactivated zones where those activation is not happening. So the energy level inside the body shifts when we feel the emotions. And this is very important for us to know that our thinking is driving our biochemistry and biomagnetic electric field. We must know some information that as per World Economic Forum, 275 million people suffer from anxiety only, which is 4% of world population. And imagine anxiety is something that is going to happen in future, and we think as if it's already happening right now and feel sick. So what happened? They did the research. 85% of whatever we fear, the respondent, they said that never happened. Okay, and 15% people believe that whatever they worried for, they handled the situations much better. So basically, if we have fear or anxiety, it is unnecessary use of imagination, because imagine when we are fearing about your class results. I was really fearful about my high school results, and then everything's happened smoothly. When it comes to driving license test, I know somebody who failed 15 times because of the panic, and I know people who've passed in one go. So we need to ask ourselves for how long we are going to be fearful, imagining the worst scenario, and the solution is as easy as anxiety problem, that we have to just think the best result coming our way. And if we can expect the best thing happening in the moment right now, we can undo and undone the damage and attract the things which are more pro us and for us. So let's see, as per the statistics, the data incoming, this is 2017 data, almost 10.7% population of the world, as per the reports, was suffering from mental health issues. That is 10% is a huge population, and we are in 2022. This has increased tremendously. WHO say the world is sitting on the verge of mental health volcano, and this is now 12.2. If you see this is the list of the most developed nations on earth, and there, as per 2019, chronic depression highest in Portugal, then Sweden, Germany, Croatia, Denmark. If you know the Denmark, Sweden, these kind of the countries, developed worlds, they are one of the highest nations with the highest number of depression. Money, prosperity has no or very little correlation with the depression. It's all about our happiest nations, not necessarily they are the most happiest nation in reality, because the science of happiness for human emotions is much more complicated than the the wealth itself. Right from people who suffer from cancers to critical to people those who really had self-harm tendencies, disturbed lives and going through a divorce. Some people wanted to find out more purpose in life, confused, dilemma, self-realization, how to handle anger, somebody's bothered because they have eating issues or sleeping problems. We have variety, and almost we reached 17% engagement rate last 20 years. When we get there, how we wish to reflect